Hello and welcome back to New Nanty Workshop. This is the second part of a series looking at the main providers of recipe subscription boxes to give you an idea of how they shape up. These providers have become more and more popular during the lockdown period of 2020, since they offer a level of convenience which has probably been a boon to people either unable to get out as often as they would like, or who, like me, are healthcare and other essential service workers and may not have time to queue in supermarkets following a long shift at work. If this video is of some value to you, I'd invite you to hit the like button, and if it's the sort of content you might like to see more of, click the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I add more content. In the first video in this two-part series, I looked at a company called HelloFresh, whilst providing some commentary about the quality and convenience they may or may not offer, along with a bit of an overview on one of their recipes being prepared. This time I'm looking at a company called Gusto, with a similar perspective. I've picked one of their simplest recipes to prepare for the video. In this case it's a one-pot oven cooked dish called all-in-one smoky fish gnocchi gratin. Both companies offer some dishes along these lines. If you're really stuck for time, they're ideal, since all you do is prep the ingredients, put them in an ovenable dish, pop them in the oven and set a timer for when it will be ready. It's then just a case of putting your feet up with your favourite tipple or a cup of tea and just waiting. You can see from the footage that the preparation is simple enough, even for someone who doesn't normally get too adventurous with their creations. This creamy sauce accompaniment, for example, is simple cheese spread, a little water, some lemon juice and a grind of fresh pepper.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
And it's pretty much as simple as that. Add the sauce, sprinkle over some Italian hard cheese that's been grated,
With what you said, you're in my head. We're under pressure.
and then just pop it in the oven. For anyone who wasn't following along, here's a quick recap.
Don't mess it up, feeling frustrated, it ain't enough to fix a love. If you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here, you push me away. If you're gonna choose, you don't know what to do.
Overall, Gusto's selection of recipes is good. They probably have a larger selection than HelloFresh, but they do come up a little bit more expensive weekly. The accuracy of the contents of the boxes was okay, with only one occasion when I needed to contact them to advise that something had been left out. Like HelloFresh, they offered a partial refund without any quibbles. They did at one point contact me to say that they'd been unable to supply one of the ingredients, but this didn't affect the quality of the dish. Their packaging is, as far as possible, recyclable, perhaps a little more so than HelloFresh. But this is not really unacceptably bad in either case. Gusto's recipe cards are laid out nicely with a good picture, a list of ingredients, and of course the obligatory allergen information down in the corner. They also contain a short nutritional outlay which is clearly marked on the corner of the card. On the back you've got a list of instructions with clear pictures to show you each stage of the recipe, and this makes it really easy to prepare the meals. In case you're interested in how the recipe turned out, here's a couple of pictures to show you. Pretty tasty actually.